So what if you could have your very own personal AI trading firm? That's the incredible promise behind a fascinating new framework called TradingAgents. It's all about simulating an entire financial firm, but with a team of AIs that actually work together. Let's dive in and see how they pull it off.
All right, let's just jump right in with the big question, right? Could you really trust a team of AIs to manage your investments? I'm talking about a whole crew of them, analysts, researchers, managers, all working for you around the clock. Is that science fiction, or are we actually getting close?
I mean, let's be real for a second. The financial markets, it's an absolute fire hose of data. You've got news breaking every second, social media buzzing, company reports, endless charts. It is just impossible for one person to keep track of it all. And that's exactly the problem TradingAgents is built to tackle. But here's the twist. It's not about one super smart AI. It's about a whole team of them.
So let's get into the nitty-gritty. What is TradingAgents exactly? Well, at its core, it's an open-source framework that basically creates a mini AI trading firm right on your computer. It's designed to copy how a real firm works, with different AI agents collaborating, arguing, and coming to a decision together. And that collaboration part, that's the secret sauce.
All right, so it's time to meet your new AI team. This is what makes the whole thing so cool. Instead of one AI trying to do everything, each agent has its own specific job, just like in a real firm. This helps get rid of the blind spots or biases that a single AI might have.
First up, you've got the fundamentals analyst. Think of this one as your team's financial detective. It's the one that digs into the numbers. We're talking revenue growth, profit margins, how much debt a company has. Its whole job is to figure out if a company is actually healthy on paper.
Next, we have the sentiment and news analyst. This AI is basically the team's ear to the ground. It's constantly scanning everything, social media, forums, news headlines, to get a feel for the public mood. You know, what's the buzz? Is it positive? Is it negative? It's trying to catch those stories that can make a stock pop or drop.
And of course, you need a technical analyst. This is the pure chartist of the group. This agent could not care less about the news or a company's earnings. Its one and only job is to stare at price charts all day, looking for those classic patterns, trends, and key levels that might hint at where the price is headed next.
Okay, and tying it all together, you have the researchers and managers. These are the strategists, the ones who run the show. They take all the reports from the other specialists, and then the real magic happens. They debate. They argue the pros and cons, they assess the risk, and then, at the end of the day, the AI portfolio manager makes the final call.
So theory is great, but how does this AI team actually perform in the real world? Let's watch them in action. We're going to have them analyze the stock I'm sure you've heard of, Nvidia. This is where we get to see what we're calling the great AI debate.
The whole process is actually super structured, which is really cool. It's not just a mess of opinions. First, each of the specialist agents we just met submits its own report. Then things get interesting. The researcher AIs split up to argue both sides, the bull case and the bear case. After that debate, a risk team comes in to look at what could go wrong. And only after all of that does the portfolio manager make the final decision. And here's what that debate actually looks like. It's a proper showdown. The bullish AI is making its case for Nvidia. Hey, look at the killer revenue growth. The sentiment is through the roof and the chart looks like a breakout. But then the bearish AI fires back. Hold on, the valuation is sky high. What about new competitors? And the whole market is shaky. The system has to actually weigh these two perfectly valid but opposing viewpoints. So after all that back and forth, what's the verdict? The AI portfolio manager steps in and makes the call. And check this out. It's not just a lazy buy or sell. It's a detailed, actionable plan. Buy Nvidia. It gives the reasons: strong fundamentals, positive sentiment, a bullish chart. But it also gets specific about risk, recommending an allocation of 10% of the portfolio and setting a tight stop loss. That's pretty sophisticated.
Okay, so analyzing one stock is cool, but the real power here is in the framework's flexibility. This isn't some locked-down black box. It's actually built to be customized and integrated into whatever you're doing.
For starters, you get to choose the brains of the operation. You can plug in the latest and greatest models from big names like OpenAI, Google, Anthropic, or even xAI. But what's really a game changer is that you can run it with local, open-source models using Llama. That means you could have something like Llama 3 running completely on your own computer, giving you total control and, privacy.
And it's not just for developers either. They've made it accessible for everyone. If you're not a coder, there's a super simple command line interface. You just type in a stock ticker and it goes. Perfect for quick lookups. But if you are a developer, you get a full Python API. And that means you can build this incredible AI team logic right into your own custom trading bots and automate analysis for your entire portfolio.
So let's pull back for a second and think about the big picture. What does this all mean for the future of trading? You know, the key takeaway here isn't about building one single genius AI. The real breakthrough, the thing that changes the game, is getting them to work together. I mean, think about it. This whole system mirrors how the best human teams operate. You have specialists, you have debate. This process helps cancel out the weird biases or quirks that any single AI might have. And what you're left with is a much more balanced, much more complete analysis. It's all about that collective intelligence. That's the key. Okay, and before we wrap up, we have to touch on the official disclaimer. It's really important. The creators make it very clear that Trading Agents is a tool for research and education. It is absolutely not financial advice, investment advice, or trading advice. So please always do your own research.
And that leaves us with a pretty mind-bending final thought. This idea of collaborative AI teams is a powerful new way to make complex decisions. So if they can start to get a handle on the chaos of financial markets, what's next? Could you see AI teams tackling medicine, or law, or maybe even scientific discovery? The possibilities are, well, they're pretty incredible to think about.